Hello my friend, this is Wayne. I'm going to walk you through upgrading with HempWorx. You're going to go to myhempworkspot.com. Make sure you use the X in there, myhempworkspot.com. When you get there, this is the page you will see right there, and you're just going to go in right here, enter the same email address that you used when you signed up. And then you're going to go right here and click View My Spot. And then you're going to go right over here. You could click on genealogy and see how many people we've placed underneath you already. And then click Join Now. Click Join Now. That'll take you to this window. Just put in your personal information, first name, last name, email, and phone number. Then you go down here to the username. Make sure you're selecting something unique to you that you're going to remember. This is a link you're going to send out, so if your first and last name's available, that's great. If you want to add CBD to it, that's great too. Then your username and password, and that's it. And then you go down to the very bottom, and this is the kit you're going to want to be on, the Executive Kit. It's only $5.99 plus 20. You get 12 products with that kit. I always suggest picking out 3 or 4 you're going to want to use for yourself, and then clicking, buying 7 or 8 oils, because those are the easiest to sell. And when you launch your business, you're going to have a lot of local people that want to try the product. They might not want to commit to an auto ship. They might want it right now, not want to wait for shipping. And you have these handy and should be able to sell 7 or 8 of them for $70 to $80 each. You're saving your people the hassle of going online. You're saving them having to wait for shipping. And boom, you sell 7 or 8 and your investment is back. Just like that. It's incredible. All these products are really, really cool. And I'm excited to work with you. After that, just fill in all your information and click Continue at the bottom, and you will be activated and placing your order. Can't wait to work with you. It's going to be a blast. You're going to change lots and lots of lives. Bye-bye for now.